very serious about this. He didn't want the engine test run. He didn't want any kind of pre-trip. He wants this locomotive to be able to prove itself from the get-go. Departing here in Louisville with 6 loaded gondolas of sand in it to boot. So this is really the proving ground of this locomotive. This is exciting for me because this is almost exactly 1 year from the date that Mr. Corman signed the contract for this locomotive. Pulling sand out of here with diesels? Absolutely not. The only crowd we have is the people waiting at the crossing of River Road for us to clear. The more I'm around steam locomotives, the more I appreciate diesels. An engine that you press a button, it starts, and when your air pressure builds up and your brakes work, you're ready to go to work, whereas this takes about 6 hours to get to the same point. So it's a creature from a different era.